This is John with Central Classic Cars. I'm here with Matt. We've got a beautiful 1975 Volkswagen 21 window bus. This is a bus that we got from our partners at Qualicars. This color combination is spectacular. What do you think?
Oh, yeah. No, this is really, really nice. Got the black. Is this a true white?
Lotus white.
Lotus white, okay, with the little red trim in here.
Yes.
Oh, the chrome is exceptional. What a great color combination.
Yes, this car has undergone a full restoration to the highest level. We've got photographs of the restoration of the car. We've got documentation on the date it was built. We've got all sorts of videos on the restoration process of the car. We've got the car itself. The donor car was a 15 window, converted to a 21 window. Thousands of hours worth of work in this car. The donor car was sandblasted down to bare metal, cut out all the rust, new welded metal put in place, phosphate coating over the top of the metal to give it some life, and then the car was repainted. That's just the beginning. I mean, the transmission, the engine, all those pieces have been rebuilt. I could go on for hours about this car, but
Yeah.
let's walk through some of the details.
Sure. Well, let's start it off here.
Yeah.
What do we got?
The luggage racks are just
These are absolutely gorgeous. They're knockout.
over the top. I
Yeah.
mean, you've got the wood paneling here with that really nice chrome luggage on the front and on the back, and in between you've got the sunroof, which is a awesome feature. Slides all the way back, so you've got a ton of natural light coming through there, along with the windows themselves. It is gorgeous. On the front of the car, again, Lotus white bumpers, as well as the rear. We've got a brand new wiring harness in this car. It is a 12-volt car. New tires. Matt, give me some commentary.
It's just incredible. It's an incredible piece. I think the color combination, especially when you start throwing in some photos of the interior, it all just works together.
Yes.
There's nothing out of place. I think the interior is beautiful. The woodwork inside, when you again overlay some photos, it's incredible. The handrails behind the seats,
Yep.
which we have covered right now, actually in the bubble wrap, it's beautiful. Yeah, like you said, there's thousands and thousands of man hours put into this.
The interior of the car is new upholstery. It's got a new aftermarket Bluetooth vintage style radio. It has a four-speed manual transmission. We should start with that. 4-speed manual transmission, 1500 cc motor, bored out to a 1600. New pistons, the whole 9 yards there. New steering wheel, new carpet. Just so many different features to this car. New door handles, new rubber seals, new door paneling. It's got everything's been done, and it's spectacular. I can't say enough about how much work's been put into this car.
So the lucky buyer, what would they receive if they were to buy this vehicle? What all comes in their package? Because there's extensive.
So
right?
we have a booklet, I think it's about a 50-page booklet of the restoration process from start to finish. We have a USB drive with hundreds of photographs and a few videos of the guys working on the car. We have the certificate of the VIN number of the car, the VIN number of the engine, all the details on maintenance, routine maintenance for the car, oil change frequency, brake adjustments. This car does have 4 drum brakes. It does not have disc brakes. It's got 4 drums. All sorts of documentation to just really give people a feel for not only what the car looks like today, but what the car originally looked like through the entire process, to show you how much work went into it.
And there's a process even when you open up these front windshields, right?
Absolutely, yes.
You don't want to...
Yes, there's releases on, these are what are called safari windows.
Yep.
And there's 2 releases on the interior. and these pivot gently. These pivot outward. So we'll open that up and tighten these screws down to fasten this in place. And again, same process on the passenger side, but gives it another really cool look. The windshield wipers themselves are actually pivoted down. When they're in place, you'll just pivot this direction, and that's what it would look like sitting on the windshield. Obviously, you don't want to have that sitting that way when these are pivoted up.
Sure.
So we pivot and turn this down and set it in the compartment there. Looks spectacular. Now that we've gone through some of the front and highlight high-level stuff, there's a few more features in the inside of the car that we just have to show, as well as that engine compartment and the floor. So let's take a look.
Okay. All right, John, let me tell you, this interior is absolutely incredible. And it's so funny how actually big, the van or the bus looks big, but once you get inside, you can put how many people in here?
Yeah.
6, 8?
It says it fits 9, 3 on
9?
each row. Yeah, 3 on each row. It's got an original German clock in it, over $1,000 for that clock on the passenger side, right below the door handle there. Beautiful finish on that. Just clean, tidy, not a lot of extras in there. Again, it does have the Bluetooth radio up front. We still have the covers on the seats, obviously.
Cigarette lighter.
Oh, yeah.
Not that you're going to be smoking in this vehicle, but
You never know.
Yeah, you never know.
So anyway, beautiful, nice setup there. Same thing, the color combo is the same up in the front as it is in the back on the seats and the stitching. Just very nice. You've got these carpets, just look underneath there. I mean, this is all very solid. These have wing nut screws on them, so you can actually disassemble and pull these seats out for more space back here. Both the second and third row seats can be removed on this car, which is kind of cool.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful. These windows so these do not open.
Correct.
The ones in the front and the ones in the rear do.
Yes.
Okay.
These have the pivots for the windows, the second window, and then the fourth window, and actually just the fourth window here also have the pivots on them as well. A ton of natural light, more than any modern car. I mean, you've got all these.
And that's about a 5-foot long rag top, I guess,
Yes,
or convertible top.
absolutely.
That's incredible.
Very nice. So, no, just so much. Can't say enough about the interior on this car. Now that we've got this rear compartment opened up, it gives another cool perspective of the car from rear to front, and just awesome finishes in here. Same thing as underneath. I mean, all this metal work is beautiful. You've got the same kind of carpeting up as you did up on the floors up front. You've got a tool kit in here. Just can't say enough about it.
No, it's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, nice. So we're going to go ahead and pop open.
Sure, yeah. Yeah, now that we've got this engine compartment opened up, it's just as nice as the underside or the exterior of the car. It's beautiful. We've got, again, a 1500cc bored out to a 1600 single port engine, new carburetor, new engine compartment, all sorts of new pieces on this car, and just can't say enough about it.
Yeah. Does this car have AC, heat?
It does not have heat.
Okay.
It does not have air conditioning.
Yep.
The car has all brand new lines, all brand new everything back here. The gas tank's brand new. All sorts of modern touches. So.
And they've pulled the engine completely apart, put it all back together. They've serviced everything.
Yes.
It's pretty much a brand new engine.
Yep, we've got documentation of the engine and the rebuild on the engine as well.
Nice.
I can't say enough about this car, but one of the most beautiful things beyond just the upper exterior is the floor pans. The underside of this car looks just as nice as what you see above. You've got new brakes, new suspension. All the entire underside of the pan has been painted as well to the same Lotus white. It is just spectacular. The underside of the engine is very spectacular too. You can see the new pushrod tubes, the engine covers, all those pieces are just very well done. And again, from front to back, this thing is just spectacular. Thanks for checking out today's episode. Please check out our website, centralclassiccars.com. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. We've got so much awesome content with weekly updates on some of our inventory, and also add us on Facebook.